In this video, I will show you how to add a new department in Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho Desk account. Now, go to the top right corner and click on the Settings icon. Inside your settings board, look at the first column and click on Departments. This is where you can view, manage, and organize all the existing departments in your workspace. Next, click on the New Department button at the top right of the page. Enter your department name and the display name that will show in your Help Center. Once done, click on Configure Channels. Here you can set up how the department will handle emails and communication. Click on New from Address or type your preferred email address directly in the box. Then hit Add Email Address. This connects your department to its own support inbox. Finally, review all your details and click Save. Your new department is now ready and added to your Zoho Desk. And that's how to add a new department in Zoho Desk.